For a chance to win now through Saturday. You can win a free patio set.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Edmonds County in north-central South Dakota, southwestern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pembroke Colony, or 7 miles southeast of Ipswich, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near North Scatterwood Lake around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Warner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown and Edmonds,